This course is an executive course on policy design, about how to design robust policy design, and we thought to apply our theorization to climate change and to artificial intelligence governance was very important, because what we teach is that if you want a robust policy, you have to design instruments in a very detailed way, and you need to have capacities.
A lot of the policy making today happens with frameworks and thinking that are designed for 20th century, not for the 21st century realities. Our frameworks allow the participants to apply in real time some thinking and some understanding on how to diagnose and how to develop new opportunities and new ways of approaching policy making and addressing some of the main challenges in the world today.
So one of the most exciting concepts I learned about was about excess capacity and the importance of having anticipatory planning and foresight in times when the crisis has not happened, and to understand also where we can adjust and align our work in accordance with existing capacity constraints.
Actually, one of the key things that POCAT really allowed to me for this course, I could take away not just the academic, the theoretical, but actually tools and framework that I can actually share with my team so that we can have a common language, lingo. This is quite an eye-opening course for me, where I could help also think on the policy side and how to align it with the technology as part of the capacity.
After joining the class, I discovered that not just the good insight, good framework from that lecturer, but I also able to learn from classmates from the diverse background as well. Therefore, this course is really worth the investment for me.